What's up, beaches? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on another video. I would love to see you guys here next time. But in today's video, I'm actually moving. So right now, I'm actually currently still living with my mom. I'm still looking for a place of my own. Just as of right now, I have currently quit my job and I'm unemployed. So I need a place to stay, and I am very grateful to have a lovely mother who will still let me live with her. The moving process probably took us less than a few days. We had a few people help us. I had my cousin help us. My mom's boyfriend and his friends were helping us. So we got the move done pretty quickly without too much stress. Of course, moving is always so stressful. I feel like that's also why I've been breaking out a little bit, just because of all the stress and the move or whatever. It does seem like it's getting a little bit better, so that's good. I'm sorry I haven't posted in a while. It's only been like 2 weeks, but you know, I definitely want to make sure that I'm creating some good content for you guys. Don't forget to leave this video a like or a comment down below if you enjoyed. But yeah, let's get this moving process started. I'm still not ready to move right now. Guys, we have terrible lighting, and let's just let that be known. I have finally figured out how to edit and use this fucking computer. My room is now completely empty. I can show you guys what it looks like. But yeah, I am a little bit sad, I'm not gonna lie. This is my last night here. Yeah, I've lived here for like 3 years, so sad to see it go, I guess. I don't know. I'll see you guys in the morning. I have just arrived. We are starting to unload the cars now. Say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
Let me show you what the inside looks like. So it's a little messy, but hey, cuz. He's helping us move. But yeah, so my bathroom, this is a guest room, and this is my room. So yeah, we're gonna have a lot of fun unboxing. Okay, hey, yes, still a mess. I don't know what to expect. But yeah, so I got some Chinese food. Now let me show you what my room looks like. It is kind of late, guys, but this is what I was able to get done so far. So, not too bad, not too bad. I'm definitely pooped out, tired out, ready for bed. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, it is about 1 o'clock in the morning and I can't fall asleep. I fell asleep and I took a nap, but now I can't fall back to sleep. So I found this light, and I've had this light for like about a few years now and I've never made it. But we are going to follow the directions, and I'm actually gonna look a video up on my phone, and we're gonna see how to make this. So I'll be right back. Well, I just spent the last 30 minutes building this. Now I just need a light bulb. Good morning, guys. It is officially the next day. My room I got done. I ended up waking up at like 2 in the morning, and I wasn't able to fall asleep since. I can show you what my room looks like now. This thing hanging here outside of my door. Just have some stuff right there. I just have some boxes. This is what it looks like so far. I got my clothing rack, my record player, beanbag chair, a table that I freshly painted, some bananas, yum, my bed. Yeah, so that's my room so far. All right, guys, so this is what my bathroom looks like currently. Definitely needs some cleaning. Thank you.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
This is the living room. This still has a lot to do. Cleaned the kitchen a little bit today, and there's my mom continuing the cleaning.
It never ends.
If you go in here, there's the laundry room. Pretty sure this door goes outside and it's locked. That's great. This is our garage. Put a TV so we have like a little, you know, outdoor area. But yeah, and that's it. So right now I'm actually working on the bathroom. I'm gonna start cleaning the bathroom a little bit, organize it, probably put my groceries away. But yeah, I'll update you guys a little bit later. Started sweeping a little bit. I got a little like vanity thing set up right here. Still need to clean my bathroom. I got that all put away. Gotta put that stuff away. Yeah, so far we are almost done. I am officially pooped. I'm the type of person that can't stop doing what they're doing until it's done. I got my closet all set up with the curtains. That's pretty cool. But yeah, so I got some Chinese food and one of these loaded pork bun things. I don't know what they're called. FYI, there was 3 of these, so don't be fooled. And there was 2 of these. But yeah, so I know I look a mess. My shower is well overdue. I'm going to eat, then I'm gonna take a shower. So I'm finally done with my shower. I feel like I'm running off of like 3 hours of sleep right now. I woke up at like 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. I've been up ever since. So I'm kind of just waiting for my crash to happen. Also, if you would like to see an updated room tour, don't forget to leave a comment down below or give this video a like so I know that you enjoyed. And don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed today's video. I enjoyed seeing your lovely face and I would love to see you guys here next time. Until next time, peace. Do you like your new home? Bye.